Hi everyone, this is Stephanie Conlin. I'm an elementary math specialist, and for this video we will be focusing on a review of our core actions for mathematics. Charlotte-Mecklenburg Schools has prioritized 3 core actions for math and 3 for literacy. The goal of this video is to briefly review these 3 core actions for mathematics and connect those core actions to our learning outcomes for today. So you can see we have 3 core actions for mathematics, and those include core actions around mathematical shifts, instructional practices, and mathematical practices. What exactly do those 3 core actions mean? Well, here you can spend a couple moments and pause if you would like to just briefly read through these 3 core actions and the components for each that highlight what it looks like for these core actions to be employed in a classroom. Let's take a closer look at core action 1 now. Core action 1 focuses on mathematical shifts. We ensure the work of the enacted lesson reflects the focus, coherence, and rigor required by college and career-ready standards in mathematics. These are 3 very important components of core action 1, and they're the foundation of effective planning practices that we employ, and it reminds us that it is critical for us to teach content to students just in time, not just in case, as we help students make connections. Core Action 1 also addresses our first learning outcome of the day, which focuses on identifying the essential learnings of your next topic. When you think about the essential learning of your next topic, we encourage you to consider how the work supports the major work of the grade level, how this work connects to other work in this grade level and to work in other grade levels, and what aspects of rigor can be targeted throughout the next topic. You'll be thinking about these ideas further in the Explore section of this course. Core action number 2 focuses on instructional practices. Teachers employ instructional practices that allow students to learn the content of the lesson. This core action focuses on the tasks and questions teachers pose that allow students to learn the content deeply. It is through core action 2 that students experience the productive struggle that allows them to grow their strategies and move their thinking forward in mathematics. Core Action 2 also addresses our second learning outcome of the day, which answers the question, what is the best way to teach the essential learning for the next topic? So you will be thinking about these ideas further in the Explore and Exercise sections of this course. The third core action focuses on mathematical practices, meaning we want to provide all students with opportunities to exhibit mathematical practices while engaging with content. This might sound very familiar to you, as this core action aligns to our 8 standards for mathematical practice. You can see those standards for 8 mathematical practices in the green octagons around your screen. Students' employment of these practices will be evident if the conditions are in place, and the conditions are the result of intentional planning and effective instruction. If the standards for mathematical practice are explicitly evident during instruction, then students are doing the heavy lifting of deeply learning the mathematics. Part of the work that we will do today is around this core action, and it also includes addressing our third learning outcome of the day, which is where do I find support to take action based on the data. This is a way for us to focus on what students are being asked to do and how we respond. The evidence portion of this course will provide you an opportunity to explore resources that you can use to engage your learners in Core Action 3. We hope that you will find these resources helpful in making students' thinking and learning visible in order to inform your next steps in instruction. I hope you enjoyed this brief overview of our core actions for mathematics. This concludes this portion of the Explore section of our work today. To continue on to step 2, please revisit the Explore portion of the Canvas course, where you will select and view a core action video aligned to the grade level of your choosing. Thank you.